Dalawa pang bagong karamdaman ang inilalaban ngayon ng Queen of All Media na si Kris Aquino na resulta raw ng kanyang mga autoimmune diseases. Muling nagbigay ng update si Kris about her health condition sa pamamagitan ng Instagram, kung saan sinagot niya ang ilang comments ng kanyang mga followers. Ang simulang bahagi ng post ni Kris ay tungkol sa kanyang bunsong anak. Bim's finally healthy after having a bad case of the stomach flu. Sabi ng actress at TV host, matinding sakit ang nararamdaman niya ngayon dahil sa kanyang rheumatoid arthritis. The typhoon made my rheumatoid arthritis hurt so much. It's hard to explain the other autoimmune diseases I have as well as the 2 recently diagnosed diseases because of my multiple autoimmune diseases, pahayag ni Kris. Pero sa kabila nito, game na game pa rin siyang nakipag-usap sa kanyang mga taga-suporta matapos sumabak sa Q&A session kasama ang si Bimby. Let's have fun! Bim will soon take over my IG, with me checking before he posts. Get to know us because we are very different people now. At 11 PM, we'll answer the questions we find intriguing and worth answering. Walang bastusan, please. Pakiusap ni Kris sa mga bashers at haters. Nabanggit din niya na si Bimby na raw ang magte-take over sa kanyang social media pages. I think you will like watching the 6'2" male version of me because he's more down-to-earth, athletic, and super charming to all. Sa comment section, nagbigay siya ng ilang detalye tungkol sa lugar na kinaroroonan niya ngayon kung saan siya pansamantalang naninirahan at nagpapagaling. This place is very peaceful, and living where I get fresh sea air and listen to the waves was always my dream. Too bad I am now wheelchair bound. I still need to learn how to walk again, ani Kris. Inamin din ng TV host na ibang-iba na ang Kris Aquino ngayon kumpara noon, dahil na rin sa ilang taong pakikipaglaban niya sa kanyang mga karamdaman. That's the problem. I'm not the same me. And I want to give all of you the Kris you deserve. Parang gremlins kung mag-multiply my autoimmune diseases, including the complications, sabi pa ng actress. Pagpapatuloy niya, I now have 9 primary autoimmune diseases. Number 10 is a result of the 9, and I have an 11th disease that came about because of my lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, Sjogren's, and a few of my other autoimmune diseases. Muli, ipinagdiinan ni Kris na patuloy siyang lumalaban dahil I love my sons and they aren't ready to lose me, especially Bim who just turned 18. Sa huli, nagpasalamat si Kris sa lahat ng patuloy na nagdarasal para sa kanyang paggaling.